So as mentioned, we're on our 8th generation, I believe it is, for the JCC product. And as this product has matured, we just keep getting better and better, whether that's our A-axis table or some of our filtration stuff. We've added on this latest generation an eSmart feature to try and save energy, which is a big buzz to people nowadays. We've added in different filtration. We used to have an oil skimmer, which is fine and worked, but now we've kind of juiced that unit up to a coalescer to get more of that stuff out there. So always continuously trying to make the machine better. We've got a new feature coming out, a 4+1, that's going to allow us to probe all 6 sides of a part now, and actually go down in every hole if need be. So yeah, there's always something, and again, nothing's kind of off limits to us. We're an engineering company, so if you come in and we haven't done it before, we're going to think about it, and maybe we can still come up with the solution. Especially with our aerospace applications and that, we've been getting pretty creative.
So that's a huge advantage. JCCs for flexibility. Again, like I talked about before, I've got customers, actually I've had a JCC that's been there for 28 years. They run it consistently every day. It runs 3 shifts. It runs not marine, but lawn mowing hydraulic systems is what it does. It doesn't turn off. It constantly, the only time they turn it off is when our service guy's there to do some PM for it. But other than that, I say because of the longevity of it, it's very simple to change. You're only changing 2 things. You're going to change nozzles. 3 things. Nozzles, 4, depending on the feature. You're going to change the fixture. You're going to change the program. That's it. You're not buying another whole machine to do that. Most customers, when they do that, they want to upgrade. I want to do an upgrade. I want to do automation because they can't hire enough people to cover what they need.